Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. When I just came home from my Pennsylvania kennel today, look what I found. 9 puppies. It's a variety of puppies. Silver, charcoal, 1 black, and 1 chocolate. Unbelievable. Who's the mother? Who's the mother? You're the mother. And that is Violet is the mother. I named her after my maternal grandmother, Violet. That was her name. And she's charcoal. So she was mated with Hunter, which is silver. That's why we got charcoal, we got silver, we have a black, and we have a chocolate. Yay! How nice is that? Very nice. Let me see if I can get her. When I come today, I'll come later today and give her some New Vet Plus. So these are some nice puppies. They are, let me see, they were born on Wednesday. So what are they, 4 days old? 4 days old. Unbelievable, look how pretty they are. We got 2 really silvers. Then we got charcoal, 4 charcoal, 5 charcoal, 1 black and 1 chocolate. Wow, excellent. Good job, baby. Give me a kiss. I love you. Yep, it looks really good. So this is Rich Bowers for Bowers AKC Labs. Congratulating Violet, yay! From our Virginia kennel. And what I have, 3 litters, 4 litters from my Pennsylvania kennel. Those are some nice puppies. If you want yellow or black, I have them. Okay, Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs, sign off.